Hey guys, gonna do a quick unpackaging of these saucer overflow trays for my indoor plants. So these come in three sizes. It's a 12 pack in total. So you get four of the 6-inch trays, four 8-inch trays, and four, oops, four of the 12-inch trays. So just to give you my quick impressions on them before I actually have a chance to use them, you see they have a nice cool edge on them. So a lot of the other ones, they're just kind of plain and flat, regular rounded. But if you want something that has some type of pattern or unique look, this has that. So I do like that about them. You can see they're just kind of like a gray color. Um, they are flexible, but they feel like they'll hold up good. I mean, I've had other ones that were really rigid, and I've dropped them and they break. So I mean, I just dropped some of these ones a minute ago. I drop these things all the time. Again, some of the really rigid ones break. I don't see these breaking just from falling. They seem like something that will hold up for a long time, so I'm happy about that. So overall, so far, they do seem like they're a really good value.